In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a signature block in Microsoft Word. A signature block is commonly used in formal letters, business documents, contracts, and official correspondence. It provides a clear space for a handwritten or digital signature along with the printed name, title, and other relevant details. Creating one properly ensures your document looks professional and well-structured. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple steps to design a clean and effective signature block. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document and scroll to the area where you want the signature block to appear. This is usually placed at the end of a letter or document. Position your cursor on a new line below your closing statement, such as "Sincerely" or "Best regards," and press Enter a few times to create enough space for a handwritten signature if the document will be printed. Next, type the signer's full name. Press Enter, and on the line below, type the person's title or position, if applicable. You can continue adding additional information such as the company name, phone number, or email address, depending on the purpose of the document. Keep the formatting clean and aligned consistently, typically left-aligned for formal letters. If you want a more structured look, you can use a table to format the signature block. Go to the Insert tab and click on Table, then choose a one-column, two-row table. In the top cell, leave space for the handwritten signature. In the bottom cell, type the printed name and title. Once your information is entered, click on the table, go to Table Design, and remove the borders if you prefer a cleaner appearance. This method keeps everything neatly aligned. For digital documents, you can also insert a signature line. Go to the Insert tab and click on Signature Line. A dialog box will appear where you can enter the signer's name, title, and any instructions. Click OK, and Word will place a signature line in your document. This is especially useful when sending documents electronically for signing. Finally, review your signature block to ensure spacing, alignment, and font style match the rest of your document. Consistency is key to maintaining a professional look. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily create a polished and professional signature block in Microsoft Word for both printed and digital documents. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.